Very good afternoon once again, one and all present here. Very good afternoon to Dr. Saida ma'am and all future managers from BITM MBA department, those who are present for the second consecutive days on the certification program for digital marketing. And I'm sure that this program will open up a lot of new insights in the field of digital marketing and what are the various tools and techniques are available to us, and we should maximize using those tools and techniques, whether it is branding oneself and also those who want to become entrepreneur. Definitely these tools will be very handy to showcase their product and services. And definitely digital marketing is one of the essential skill sets for any kind of employment opportunities. And in the field itself, the digital marketing field, there are plenty job opportunities are there. So let us proceed on the first topic, that is display advertising. I'll just share the slide. Thank you. I'm sure that all of you can see the screen on display advertising. So whenever we talk about display advertising, what comes on the top of your mind? Display, definitely something now which we can see, right? Something which we can see. So display advertising, and this is a very popular format of advertising at present time. So let us have a look at the fundamentals first. What is display advertising? You can see the PPT. If there is any problem, I'll request please you can raise your hand. So what is display advertising? Display advertising is advertising on websites or applications or social media through banners or other ad formats made of text, images, flash, video, and audio. The main purpose of display advertising is to deliver general advertisement and brand messages to site visitors. So display advertising popularly is about the banner advertising, and I'm sure that many of you may be knowing the Adobe Photoshop or Corel Draw, or many mobile applications are also there today to create no free applications to create good banners, okay, or images or video. Many video editing softwares are there. One of the popular one video editing software is Movavi video editing software. Is a very cost effective one, around 5,000 rupees you can have for your desktop or a laptop. And there are many free applications, mobile applications like My Movie is there, Movie Maker, wherein you can edit the video. And audio also, there are many applications and many softwares are available wherein we can create your own podcast. Okay, so basically display advertising means creating video ad, and you know that video advertising is very popular, right? Short video advertising, and some video it goes viral in social media, right, and gets huge popularity. Other day I was talking about Baba Ki Dhaba. That's one of the video which gone viral on the social media, and that dhaba became very popular overnight. So similar line, there are many other viral videos across social media platform, and we get many of them in our WhatsApp or Telegram, okay, in our mobile phone as well. And these advertisement, the format is very eye-catching, and generally we pay our attention to any kind of banner ad or video advertising instead of no print advertising. So these are very popular because all the time we use the mobile. Okay, and so no, it's very easy to go through, okay, this kind of video, audio, images, or banners. Popularity of display advertising. There are some past research done on the display advertising, but let us not talk about that. We can see ourselves at the present time, especially last 1.5 years, due to this lockdown. Everything is happening on internet, digital space, and this sector has grown leaps and bounds, right? People are using social media platform to advertise their product and services. We'll take it up how you can do it using Facebook page, how you can advertise your product and services. LinkedIn, you can do that, and YouTube. Okay, I was referring to in the last class that there are many YouTubers also who makes good videos, whether it may be educational video, informational video, or lecture on different topics, and they have become very very popular, having millions of followers, and they are YouTubers. Their profession is itself creating video and posting on YouTube. Okay, and they earn huge amount, right? But it's not an easy task, okay, to create good videos, good contents on good topic, and catch the attention of the viewers. But this market is growing leaps and bounds, the display advertising market. And as an MBA, we must understand the display advertising and other forms of advertising tools and techniques which are available under the umbrella of digital marketing. If you look at little bit of little bit of history of digital marketing, since the early advent of technology, when technology, internet, this all came, okay, so we could see that initially computer prices were very high, but slowly the prices decreased. Online content became accessible to a large portion of the world's population, right? This change has modified the way people are exposed to media and advertising, and has led to the creation of online channels through which advertisement can reach users. Generally, in general, what do you do? In general, we are used to advertisement for print advertisement, right? In newspaper, okay, handbills, people used to distribute, or some kind of hoardings on the side of the road or the main locations. We were exposed to those kind of advertisement, and we are also exposed to advertisement into the television. But over the growth of internet, and as the computer prices reduced, okay, we could see that rapid growth of advertisement using the internet platform. Initially, what used to happen, if I am a company and I want to advertise my product and service, what I used to do, I used to generally approach to some website, some publishers, okay, who have good traffics in their website to advertise my product and service, and I should pay certain amounts to them. So that was the normal way of how the organizations used advertisement on internet. But as this market grown over a period of time, we could see that publisher, okay, they came out with a lot of thousands of websites with millions of pages, okay, unsold ad space. This gave rise to a new set of companies called ad networks, right? So ad networks, these are the companies which advertise the product and services in multiple internet platform. So we'll talk a little bit what are the different ad network companies are there today. The third and most recent major development that happened in late 2000, that's the adoption of real-time bidding. Okay, this is very important. And I'm sure that many of you must have seen that when you searched for some product and service in LinkedIn, in the no Flipkart, or in Amazon or other e-commerce site, and immediately you go to your Facebook page. Okay, you could see that same product or services advertisements, okay, are popping up on your home page. So that is actually how it is done. It is done through real time bidding. Real time bidding, how it works out. So we'll discuss. Okay, let us now first have a look how this particular sector grew over a period of time. Okay, initially started with the internet by simply advertising no on a particular website, but this publisher, when they came out with thousands of websites with millions of pages, and they call themselves as ad networks. Okay, so this particular form of advertisement, okay, using the display advertisement on the internet, became very very popular, and it became more popular in the late 2000s because of adoption of real time bidding. How does real time bidding work? This is how it works. At any given moment, multiple advertisers can bid on a single impression of a publisher's inventory. Then the winning ad with the highest bid is shown to the user. Through RTB, real-time bidding, advertiser can apply fine-tuned targeting and focus on the inventory most relevant to them. This in turn yields better return on investment and higher CPMs. That means cost for thousands impressions. CPM means cost for thousands impressions. RTB also allows advertisers to adjust their campaign budgets in real time in order to optimize campaign performance. Just I'll give one simple example, and I'm sure you'll be able to understand the how RTB real time bidding it works. Take for example the moment in a mobile game where the player watches an ad between game levels. At that moment, the mobile SSP, okay, sellers platform, runs an auction for all the advertiser interested in showing an ad to that particular player. The advertiser make their bid, and in a split second, the highest bidder is chosen. Their advertisement is then served to the player. Now, for example, whenever you go to your YouTube, right, and you want to see a particular no popular YouTube channel, okay, you will see that some advertisement pops up, right? And for some advertisement you cannot skip also immediately. It has to run for some 30 seconds and 1 minute, and some you can skip. So this pop up, this advertisement, how they pops up, this is nothing but because of the real time bidding. Now we'll discuss in details exactly the importance of formats of display ad, how it works out. Okay, this programmatic display advertising, this is done through a program which is known as real-time bidding. Okay, now this method of advertising has fast grown in popularity as it allows more control for the advertisers, okay, or agency, anyone, and means they can control the person that they advertise to rather than just the website, right? So it has become a threat to the website. The normal website which used to advertise the product, so it has become a threat to them because real time bidding, these ad networks, they buy space from the different websites, and based on the bidding, okay, the highest bidding which company they do, based on that bidding, those advertisements this ad network displays in different platform. Now if you have a look, okay, performance ad ecosystem, okay, how exactly it works out. See, look at the first one, the advertiser and agency. Okay, these are the people, ad network companies, they take care of the advertising. Now there is a demand side platform, okay, demand side platform, the software platform is there. Now there is one ad exchange, then you have sales side platform, then you have the ad network. Okay, here is the ad network companies is there. then you have the publishers. Okay, so what happens when advertiser wants to advertise its product? It goes to the ad networks, right? Ad networks, they bid. Like the best example, suppose in the Facebook advertisement, I'm sure that many of you must have seen, okay, how you can create one Facebook ad using your Facebook page. Whenever you want to advertise a particular product or event on Facebook page, want to advertise, you will see that there are different parameters are given, which you need to know or decide based on which serves you better, which particular geography you want your advertisement to be shown, what is the age group, okay, complete details are there, and what is the budget, okay, weekly this much budget, or no cost per click, CPC. Okay, so different formats are there. Once you agree with those formats, right, then you can activate your advertisement by making the payment. Okay, so this particular real time bidding, suppose as an advertiser, if I want to advertise a product and service, okay, what I have to do, I need to connect with the ad network, those who provide the services, right? You have to connect the ad network, then there will be definitely no, this bidding will be there. Okay, if I make the highest bidding, then these ad network, they will publish my advertisement on different network based on parameters which I will set. What particular parameters, which age, which group, okay, which category of the people, okay, those things I need to specify as an advertiser. So ad network will take care of that. See, the demand side platform and audience targeting. How audience targeting is done generally in display advertising? Okay, see, audience targeting, look alike models. Okay, similar kind of, if I am looking for a particular electronic gadgets, right, particular electronic gadget, so if I go to another platform, so these ad networks, they will automatically see that my interest, I'm searching for electronic gadgets, so they will showcase on that particular website which I'm browsing this kind of products, electronic products, what category of products I'm searching. Okay, third party data, category and site. Third party data, many companies know, they also provide the customers data. Okay, the people, this particular demographic profile or profile of the people, they search for this kind of products and services. That's why data is so important. Then the real time bidding, efficient audience buying in real time, optimized to advertiser objectives. Now across the web, now see here the top ad exchanges. Okay, you have PubMatic, you have Rubicon, you have Facebook, DoubleClick, OpenX. So these are some of the top ad exchange. Okay, so these people, they take care of your online advertisement. Okay, that TV real time bidding. Okay, that's how the one product is shown, okay, multiple times in a different platform whenever you go from one internet, from one browsing, okay, particular one website to the other websites. Meet your performance marketing objectives. See, this real time bidding, as an advertiser, you may not be much bothered. You need to connect with the ad networks, those who take care of this particular no particular service. Okay, so they will take care of your job, but you need to do the bidding, right? Bidding means, okay, the cost per thousand impressions, what you are going to pay to them. Okay, that bidding you have to do. Okay, once that is done and they will do the comparison and see that your bidding is higher, then they will publish your product or service advertisement in the multiple platform. Now how exactly, why it is done? Meet your performance marketing objective. Use a DSP, okay, demand side platform, to meet your display objectives across the marketing funnel. So there is definitely the awareness, you need to create the awareness of your product and services. Then come consideration, then conversion and loyalty, right? Prospecting means meet upper funnel objective, category targeting, third party behavioral data, lookalike targeting, similar kind of thing. They take the third party data, behavioral data of the customers, okay, generally this particular age category people, okay, from this particular region, this socioeconomic background, their behavioral pattern is this. So they try to do a mix and max, okay. Then retargeting, meet lower funnel objectives, retargeting high intent audiences. I think the complete, okay, the complete display advertising using the real time bidding, using the ad networks, the whole purpose is to convert, to create more awareness to the prospective customers and ensure that they are converted, okay. And then comes the loyalty program. See the power of audience targeting. Now this is very important. That's why I was referring to in the previous class. Whatever we do it, suppose for the management fest, your audience would be MBA or BBA students in different colleges, right? So this targeting, audience targeting, it's there even in no LinkedIn or Facebook page advertising or in all other kinds of advertisement. Targeting is very, very important. Like you will see in the television advertisement, okay, most of the baby product advertisement will come when the serial comes, right? Regular serial comes in the evening when no the ladies at home, they watch the advertisement because they have the maximum say on the purchase of different products and services associated with the kids, okay. Now at the time of cricket match, you'll find out that shoe and other kind of advertisement will be very, very popular. So this audience targeting based, this is very important, very, very critical, and this we need to do perfectly. Audience data, okay, ingestion, we need to collect the data, then identify and segment, then multi-channel delivery, okay. Multi-channel delivery means, okay, in different platforms, so the video advertising using the YouTube, mobile advertising, okay, then using the social media, website or ad display, okay, using Google Adwords, which we'll be discussing later. So the power of audience targeting. Simply, if we create an advertisement and we try to advertise that, that may not be very, very productive. That's why in marketing, you will study segmentation, targeting, and positioning. See, even we are discussing digital marketing and different tools and techniques, but basics of marketings that hold goods, right? Whether it is digital marketing or conventional marketing, and those principles even apply here as well. Top real-time bidding companies. Top real-time bidding companies. See, here are some of the companies, okay, like Moloco, founded in 2013, Upsolver, Beeswax, OpenX, okay, Quantic Mind, PubMatic, Media Alpha. So likewise, there are many companies across the world, those who take care of the real-time bidding. And because of this real-time bidding, okay, the conversion rate of the companies are very, very high, and these display advertisings have become very, very popular today. So I'll just do a quick revision what we have discussed, then probably we can take some of the questions from here. See, real time, this display advertising, what exactly the display advertising? First we need to understand exactly the display advertising. What does it mean? Display advertising means using banner ad, using audio, using text, using flash. What is flash message? Flash message means, you see, whenever you go to any e-commerce site, Flipkart or Amazon, once you open the site, you will see that one flash advertisement, all of a sudden it pops up, right? So many websites, also many companies, if you visit their website, automatically some flash messages pops up, okay, that sale begins, okay, stock clearing sales. Likewise, some flash message or 50% discount, okay, this kind of messages are known as flash message. So using video, using audio, text, content, flash message, okay, the companies use their their company advertise their product and services, okay, to the target audience. So this is primarily the display advertising. Now, display advertising, audio advertising, you can make use of the podcast. Okay, podcast is very popular, very popular. Or you can make use the audio advertisement even in FM channel. Okay, is very popular, and you must have heard also many companies they make their advertisement no in FM channel. So that's also very popular, right? And video advertising, definitely you must have seen many companies video advertisement also, okay, like on YouTube or in the social media, wherein they advertise the small video and many video goes viral. And why video advertising is very effective one. Then definitely the banner advertisement, and using the Photoshop, the Corel Draw, and I said that there are many video editing softwares also there, wherein you can create your own video, your own presentation. Okay, you can make a video, you can have your own YouTube channel, is it not? I am sure that many of you must have your own YouTube channel also. You can, whatever area you are good at, no, you should, you can create some videos and upload in your YouTube channel. I think that would be very good, right? For you also go through and you can share with your friends. Let's know, everyone know. Okay, and this no sharing could help each one of us. Okay, we can know from each other. And this display advertisement, if you look at the history, what I spoke in the PPTs. Initially, when computer came, it was cost was very high. Internet came, then computer prices dropped. Okay, because of that, okay, most of the companies they tried to advertisement because its usage gone up. So generally, initial days, okay, how no organization used to advertise? They used to advertise through the website, maybe their own company website or others' website, the publisher's website, which they created to advertise the product. Okay, so that was the initial days how companies used to advertise their product. But slowly, over a period of time, because of the growth and because this publisher they came out with multiple channels, right, with thousands of different pages, okay, given wide choices to the organization to advertise their product to the different platform, targeting no different audience. Now in the late 2000, this RTB, real time bidding companies, they came into play. Okay, they are known as ad networks. So these companies main function is, okay, to advertise your product at the real time in different platform. Okay, so that's their purpose based on your bidding, how you do the bidding. Okay, cost per thousand impressions. Bidding means how much money you are ready to pay, cost per thousand impressions. Okay, so that based on that they have an algorithm which automatically calculates and decides which are the different platform your product will be showcased. So that is done through the algorithm. So this real time bidding is very popular. That's why whenever we browse through multiple channel, we see that similar kind of product advertisement at the same time, okay, in different places wherever you go, no, in internet, in different websites. So that's the beauty of real time bidding. So display advertising, as a digital marketer, we need to understand the functions of display marketing, why it is so popular, what are the different platforms are there through which we can do it. And definitely the real time bidding is the most popular one, and we can connect with the real time bidding, this ad networks, right, which does or take care of this real time bidding. Okay, you can approach to them, and we can reach out, we can know the CPM, cost per thousand impressions. Okay, we can based on our target audience parameters, we can make the payment, and we can go for display advertising, and that's the most popular. That's why on YouTube we see that all the time, whenever we go and watch a particular channel, we'll see that advertisements are popping up. So that's fundamentally the display advertising. What exactly the display advertising, how it works, what is real time bidding. Now let's look at the next, then we'll take up the questions, right? The next one is the Google AdWords. Okay, Google AdWords is also very popular one. Let me show you how it works out, the Google AdWords. Okay, so it will be no easy for us to understand. Now if I share this video, okay. Okay, fine. I'm sure that all of you can see this particular page. This is the MTC Global Trust. I have just searched in the Google, right? MTC Global. So this is our organization and it has popped up. Now this is Google for Business, right? Google for Business, you can create your free login, okay, in Google, and wherein you can promote, okay, your company's product, any events are there, okay, everything you can showcase, wherein people can give the review about your organizations. And these reviews, see here, you can see that there are so many reviews, right? We have received 35 Google reviews, and there is some star also. I'm sure you give the review whenever you place order through Zomato and Swiggy, even all e-commerce platforms. The delivery executives, whenever they come, they ask, they request you to give the review. Okay, so these reviews are very, very powerful, because no, generally, like whenever we try to no purchase anything, any consumer durable or any property or anything, we go through the review, right? How general people know they have given the reviews of those no property or about the product and services. Even in Flipkart, whenever you want to purchase a particular product, what do? At the end, we try to look at the reviews, right? You want to download no an applications from the Play Store, you look at the reviews, is it not? Those who are using, how they have their opinion about that particular application. So these reviews are very, very important. Now Google My Business also application is there, free application in mobile. Okay, if you want to log in, you can do that also. Create an organization page, and there also you can advertise your event, advertise your product and services. Okay, all those stuff you can do it. Now here, if you look at, you will see that no this particular get more customers. Okay, if I go there, uh, okay, here, now get more reviews, interior product. Now if I say promote, see, if I click here, promote your product, you will see that no, ask reviews, add photos, advertise performance, all those stuff will pop up. Now get customer email. Now if I do that, finish your ad. Now see, this is, I wanted to create one Google ad. Okay, how AdWord it works out. Now I have not created completely, so it is showing as finish your Google ads. Okay, so this is simple. Once you create your this Google My Business, okay, the profile of your organization, okay, then you are missing, see now how it is popped up, you are missing out on insight and data, enable two-step verification, because I have not created this particular, okay, Google ads. See, now this is the budget. Okay, now how I said that, select a budget option, 505 daily average or 15,352 monthly maximum, get an estimated 910 to 1,600 ad clicks each month. Okay, so likewise click per month. So here the criteria is click per month, and based on that, on your advertisement you will get that many click, and based on that there is a budget option is there. Okay, now enter your own budget. Now if I do this budget, okay, now if I say it is already there, 1007 daily average, just I'm trying to do, because I'll not activate this one. Now here, review your campaign to be sure it is right. Campaign ID have to create, campaign goal, what exactly we want, phone call, we want conversion, or login to your no traffic should go to your website on a registration page, your website, business name, it is there. Now add text. Now here you have to add the text, what advertisement you want to showcase, right, in the AdWords. Then your phone number, location, keyword, budget, everything when it comes. Then if you give the click, okay, it is not created, in fact, campaign for created so and so. Okay, see now, last 7 days impressions spent in last 7 days impression 0 click because just now I created. Okay, so this is pending because pause campaign. Let me pause it, because before you pause, if you need free or help, you are here. Okay, because see, I don't want to do a promotional campaign now, so uh, I just press the pause campaign. Okay, so campaign I don't need it, this particular campaign. So what is why we want to, okay, because balance is running low. Okay, your ad will stop serving soon if your account runs out of money. To keep your ads running, make a payment to add money to your account. Okay, but you don't need it. So just I wanted to show you how exactly this Google ad, okay, recommendations, it works out. So now, what is the purpose of the Google AdWords? I think that part is very, very important. Why we need to do the Google ad? So that because of search engine optimization, so that anyone search something, like if someone search MBA in Ballari may be some other institutions as well. But if VITM no goes for the Google AdWords, so I'm sure that no VITM MBA department will, the name will pop up in the beginning, or maybe in the first five search. Okay, or first two one. Okay, so these Google AdWords are very, very way very popular way to advertise. Okay, in the Google AdWords, what we have spoken about just now in the Google AdWords, this is a very popular way of advertising your product and services. And okay, in the Google multiple platforms in the Google search engine, what is the need of that? I have also shown you that MTC Global Google AdWords. Okay, how I created once, then I left it in between. But that's the way how we have to do it. We have to create the AdWords. Okay, these are simple no steps, and if you follow the steps, then I think you can easily do it. Okay, the Google AdWords, and there are cost per click, cost per thousand impressions, cost per acquisitions. So different dimension is there, connected with the budget options. So which one no best suits our budget, we should take it up. Okay, now if you type the Ola, or the airport taxi, suppose in no Google search engine, you will find out some, okay, service providers on the top. You will find out that within bracket it is written AdWord. Okay, you can try out. Okay, AdWord, that means those companies have taken up Google AdWord services, and it is showcasing at the top. Okay, so these are very simple tools, and I'm sure that each one of us can do it ourselves. Okay, the display advertising, and this Facebook advertising, and the Google AdWords. Okay, you can create your business profile to do that. Okay, in the Google, or you can download Google My Business in the mobile applications from Play Store. You can create, they will ask for your address verification. You can do that, then you will get one code in your address, office address. That code, once you verify, then in the Google map, okay, you can confirm the place or the location of your organization. Then you can start functioning. Okay, and Google My Business is very effective because people, they search it and it pops up. I have shown you. Okay, Google My Business for MTC Global, we have so many reviews. Okay, thousands of visitors every month, and our product and services, we can showcase, they are free of cost. Okay, if you take AdWords, then only you have to pay. Okay, otherwise there is no need of payment. But we need to have our digital presence. But if we take Google AdWords, definitely we can reach out more. But again, no, there is some expense, okay, involved. So we have not taken it up. But Facebook page advertisement we have done a couple of times. So that's about the Google AdWords. So what we have discussed today, let me just summarize that. Okay, then we can take some of your questions if you have any questions. Number one. Number two, the assignments given to you, the in the last class, probably I am sure that most of you must have done it. Okay, if anyone has done, can simply you can share your screen and show to me, or you can just read out probably that would be good enough. Okay, then we'll have one assessment test at the end. Okay, I'll share you the link for the assessment. So today is the second session on digital marketing certification programs, and we have spoken on display advertising and Google AdWords. These are the two topics which we have discussed today. Display advertising means advertising the product and services using audio, video, flash message, okay, text, type out, banner. Okay, so these are the different ways how we can advertise our product and services. We have spoken about the evolution of display advertisement. There are many today. The free video editing softwares are there, right? Audio also softwares are there to record our voices, and hundreds of mobile applications. Okay, in the smartphone you can do it very well. Okay, you have my movie or the Movavi software, very popular for desktop and the laptop, and so many are there, right? And for no creating banner, we have the Photoshop and the Corel Draw, very high end users, and you have many free also, okay, in applications also, in the software also in for your computer. And we have also spoken about the real time bidding. Okay, how ad networks they do the real time bidding based on your cost per thousand impression, based on your budget. They purchase no a place in different websites, then based on your budget, no, they promote your products multiple time, okay, multiple platform at the same time. Okay, that's why I told you that when you no search for a particular product in e-commerce platform, immediately you go to Facebook, see that same kind of product is no popped up there as well. So this is because of real-time bidding. Okay, because these ad networks, they do that functions, and there are some of the top ad network companies also we have listed and we have spoken out. Then I have shown you the Adword part for MTC Global. Okay, how it is to be created. First, we can create Google My Business, then the Adword. Okay, why we need to do the Adword? Because there is search engine optimizations. Anyone searching for similar kind of product and services, there is a possibility that no, we'll have the top 5 or 6 or 10, okay, rank in that. Okay, so that's the beauty, and it's very popular, and majority of companies they go for Google AdWords, because Google is the number one search engine, and they have the multiple presence in on the internet. So that's about the today's session on display advertising and Google AdWords. So if you have any question, you can ask me. No, any two questions, because no, we have some time limitation. Any two questions you can ask me, and okay, now your time starts, please. Okay, very good. Satyanarayana asked, sir, whether Google charge for advertising. Very good question, Satyanarayana. I appreciate it. See, if you create your company profile in the Google, right? And you can do that. You can download Google My Business, okay, applications from your mobile store, and you can create, even you can create your organization account in the Google itself, okay, and there you can promote your event, any product and services. For that, there is no charging, right? But if you make use of Google AdWords, once you use the Google AdWords, that means there are all chances that your company's product and services will pop up, okay, in the top rank whenever someone searches the same kind of product and services, and your product will be showcased in the multiple platform in the Google platform. So definitely there is a charge. We have seen that AdWords, okay, the charges 560. Okay, we have just seen no the click per click, what is the charges. So definitely there are charges for the Google AdWord advertising. But if you want to just do that, create a Google business profile and want to showcase your product, service and events, I think in that there is no charges. Okay, thank you, Satyanarayana. Wonderful question, I appreciate very much. Yes, Kavita ma'am, yes.
Sir, whether researcher can make use of Google AdWords and
Okay, very good question, ma'am. See, Google AdWord generally, no business organization, they do it to promote their product and services. Okay, if any research scholar has his or her own research organization and take care of some statistical analysis, collection of field data, okay, those kind of activities wherein some commercial business sense is there, and he or she wants to reach out those who are, I know many people today they search for data analysis. Okay, many
yes,
they
sir.
search for data collection because many people may have difficulty going to the field. So collecting data by somebody, okay, that may not harm the purpose of the research, right? But data is
Yes,
very important. So if someone has those kind of functions under the umbrella of any organization and wants to showcase those kind of work to the world, so definitely he or she can go for the Google AdWord. But normally a researcher, okay, there is no purpose, to go for the Google AdWords because no, we don't have any product and service to be sold to others. Is it not,
okay.
ma'am? Yeah, thank you,
Yes.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, have any question? Otherwise, sir will take up the assignment part. Hope, sir, there are no questions, sir, I think.
Yeah. Okay, Kavita ma'am. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Now, see, then the last class interaction. So I had given one assignment wherein you have no okay, there is another question. Just okay, 1 minute. We'll take it up. Pavan, okay, Pavan Kalyan. He mentioned about how much time we want to learn uh, to digital marketing, sir. How much time it takes, okay, to learn digital marketing. See, Pavan, I'll tell you, because today we all have our digital presence, right? We all have become tech savvy, which was not so before. We're using the technology, we're using the different video platform, okay, we're studying ourselves of our own, and I'm sure that, okay, we can learn, okay, we can learn these tools and techniques, okay. There is no specific time for that. I think those who are smart enough, those who have interest to learn the things, they can pick it up maybe in 1 week time or 10 days time. But the best thing, see, initially we may not we need to learn, okay, the tools and techniques, what are the different tools and techniques are there, and when we join or start doing it, hands on, practically, I think that's the best way, when we get the real sense of it, okay. So that's very important, but there is nothing that that someone it takes 1 month time or 2 months time or 3 months, not like that. I think each one of you can pick up very fast once you need to understand what are the different tools and techniques are there. Then try to get into that, okay, try to do it, okay, and try to apply those theories into practical, and definitely you can learn very fast, okay, very very fast, maybe it's 10 days or time, 15 days time, okay, you can pick it up. Like this, see, I told you, like Google AdWords, okay, everything is no instruction, there is instruction at each step, okay, you can just follow the instruction and do that, okay. In Facebook advertisement, you can follow the instruction, you can do that. In Twitter, LinkedIn advertisement, everywhere you can do that, is it not? You can connect with the ad networks and advertise your product and services. You can create your own banner, video editing. I think today most of us, we know the video editing, no so I think most of the things we are aware of. Only thing, no, we should know how to make use of it, and how to create the content, because content is very very important in the digital advertising space. The content, whether it's a written advertisement or video advertisement, the content, the message, what we are going to put across, those are very very important. So there may not be any fixed time, okay, to learn the digital marketing, but it depends on the individual. One can pick it up very fast, someone may take little more time, but end of the day, we need to understand the tools and techniques, we need to do some hands-on practices. I think you all can become very successful, no digital marketer. Thank you, Pavan. Very good question, very relevant. Thank you so much. Okay, now we'll move on. In the last class, no I had given one assignment, and I said that because it was on email marketing, right? So I said you have to create an email wherein you want to invite the management students of MBA and BBA of different colleges for the management fest in your department, BITM MBA department. Has anyone done it? Can you share your slide? Can you share your
Yes, sir, I
screen?
have done.
Yeah, Akhila.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please, Akhila. Please share your slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Letter for inviting various students to attend the Management Fest conducted by BITM School on 10th July. It is held on Monday, 20th June 2021. I have done, sir.
Yes,
Dear
please.
students, on behalf of the organizing committee of the Management Fest Spring Fest 2021 to be held on July 10, 2021 in BITM Ballari. We cordially invite all of you to participate in the event and make this a successful one. The chief guest of this event is Dr. Kari Desappa, Vice Chancellor of VT University, and we are very pleased as he accepted our invitation and is ready to do a presentation on operations. And also to interact with the audience, this is an excellent opportunity for the students to interact and to clarify the doubts. Also, there is various management games like decision making games, icebreakers, role play, boardroom games. Each student can participate in any of the three items and can win attractive cash prizes ranging from rupees 500 to 5,000. Also, all the participants will be given a participation certificate. Kindly note that registration fee of rupees 500 is involved. The transportation will be taken care of by the BITM Ballari. Students interested may rush in with their nominations as there are only limited entries. The last date of accepting a nomination is 5th July 2021. Venue BITM School of Business, Jananagangoti campus to Hospet Road near Alipur, Ballari. Time 10 to 7 am. We are looking forward to see you at BITM School of Business 10 July 2021. Thank you.
Very good, Akhila. A big round of applause for Akhila. Very well drafted, very professionally done. Okay, the email and yeah, it captures all the relevant information, including know who is the chief guest, when is the event, what is the purpose of that particular management fest, and the registration link. Very well done. Very well done. Good. Congratulations, Akhila.
Thank you, sir.
Very good, wonderful. So I'm sure that, like Akhila, all of you must have done, and please do it. Okay, do it and show it to your ma'am, Kavita ma'am or Dr. Saida ma'am. So it will be good enough because we cannot see all the presentations. One or two is perfectly fine. And thank you. So it shows your commitment, your interest towards the program. I'm extremely happy. Okay, that no, you have done wonderful work. Now I'll share the evaluation, the self assessment test link. So all of you can just go to that link, and 10 minutes time, now time is 6 7, so around 16 7, that means 4 7, we'll close at 4:20. Okay, and just 1 minute. Let me give you one assignment for the next class. Next class will be on 30th June between 3 to 4 p.m. And three more sessions I'll discuss with Dr. Saida ma'am, and we'll fix the dates as well, and it will be intimated to all of you. So the assignment is on the similar line as you created. Akila did a wonderful work by creating one email campaign for the management fest. So I'll request that all of you create one banner advertisement, right? Banner advertisement, soft copy for the same management fest. Okay. Now I'll see that how creative you can become. Okay, in creating that particular banner advertisement. Especially, it can be a sort of flyer kind of thing. I'm sure that you have seen a lot of flyers. Okay, so that's it for the today's interaction, and I'll hand over to Kavita ma'am, please.